a kennel of dogs, a sort of bears. Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear user, onara kanasa alhamdulillah arai balasi. তো অনারে বালা চলে আশা করি অনার মন্তব্য টপিকগুলো হাজার হয়েছে যে টপিকগুলোর নাম হইলে কলেকটিভ নাউন। তো এই ভিডিও আমরা অনারার সামনে শুরু করি। হোয়াট ইজ কল এ কলেকটিভ নাউন?
A collective noun is a noun that refer to some sort of group or collective of people, animals, things, etc. Collective nouns are normally not treated as plural even though they refer to a group of some things. Collective nouns include common noun like a group, pupa noun like Google's.
Some example of collective noun: person, a band of men, a cast of actors, a baby of girls, a bush of boy, a circle of friends, animals, a kennel of dogs, a sort of bears, an ambush of tigers, a fight of butterfly. Things, a bath of cakes, a bottle of milk, a bowl of rice, a cup of tea, a glass of water. Place, a chain of island, a rain of building. They are just some example of collective noun. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.